Join me as I dive into the world of investments to see if Bitcoin can really outshine gold. For centuries, gold has been a symbol of wealth and a go-to asset for investors looking for a safe haven. Bitcoin, on the other hand, is a relatively new kid on the block, having been created just over a decade ago. Yet, it's been making waves in the investment community with its promise of high returns and decentralization. Investors often find themselves torn between traditional assets like gold and emerging assets like Bitcoin. The thing is, both have their own set of pros and cons, making it tough to decide which one to choose. Gold has been around for ages and its value is well established, but Bitcoin has been showing some impressive growth. What if you're new to investing and don't know where to start? You might be wondering which one is more stable or which one has better potential for growth. Another concern is the unpredictability of both assets. Gold prices can fluctuate based on global events, and Bitcoin's value can change in an instant due to market sentiment. For those who are risk-averse, this might be a major turnoff. On the flip side, for those who are willing to take on more risk, the potential rewards could be substantial. It's also worth noting that both assets have their own liquidity. Gold can be easily bought and sold, and Bitcoin can be traded on various exchanges. So let's take a closer look at what makes Bitcoin and gold tick. Bitcoin's volatility is certainly a double-edged sword. It can lead to significant losses but also massive gains. Gold, on the other hand, tends to be more stable, but its growth might be slower. Historically, gold has been a safe bet during times of economic uncertainty, while Bitcoin has been more of a high-risk, high-reward play. Some interesting data points to consider. Bitcoin has outperformed gold in terms of growth over the past decade, with some years seeing returns of over 1,000%. Gold, however, has been more consistent in its performance, with less dramatic ups and downs. When it comes to liquidity, both assets have their advantages. Gold can be easily traded on commodities markets, and Bitcoin can be bought and sold on various exchanges. The million-dollar question is, which one makes a better investment? The answer isn't straightforward, but here's a key insight. Bitcoin's decentralized nature and limited supply make it an attractive option for those looking for an alternative to traditional assets. Gold, on the other hand, has a long history of being a reliable store of value. In conclusion, both Bitcoin and gold have their strengths and weaknesses as investments. Gold offers stability and a proven track record, while Bitcoin brings the potential for high growth and diversification. Ultimately, the decision comes down to your individual investment goals and risk tolerance. So, what's your take on it? Do you think Bitcoin or gold is the better investment? Let me know in the comments. If you're interested in learning more about cryptocurrency, be sure to check out my other videos. Remember, this is not financial advice and trading can be risky. You could lose all your money. This video was made for educational purposes only.